Good evening, investors. My name is Louis from the CoSec research team. Today is Wednesday, the 24th of November, and here is your market wrap. The Australian stock market has closed flat today, down just 0.15% to 7,412. The RBNZ has today become the first developed central bank to raise interest rates for the second time in 2021. The central bank expects inflation to remain above 5% for the next 3 quarters and has cited price shocks and domestic capacity constraints as key issues for the New Zealand economy. Nonetheless, the top performers on the ASX 300 today were Select Harvests, Paradigm Pharma and Australian Strategic Materials. To company news, Harvey Norman shares have fallen 1.7% today after sales dropped 8.8% against a year ago from July 1 to November 28. Macquarie has today maintained an outperform rating for BHP with a target price of $52 and a 36% upside. It is preferring BHP to the other major iron ore players right now. The broker has noted that the outlook for iron ore as well is improving as the Chinese property market continues to stabilise. Finally, shares in Technology One have slumped today following a variety of institutional downgrades. Macquarie downgraded the company to underperform and UBS to sell. The company's shares slid 8.61% on the announcement. To commodities, the price of gold is still below $1,800 per ounce. Crude oil has seen a welcome bump as Joe Biden confirmed the release of strategic reserves. Finally, the Australian dollar has weakened, down 0.3% to 72 US cents. Two cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and Ethereum, are now consolidating on a very precarious ledge. They're each buying $56,600 and $4,270 US respectively. This market wrap has been brought to you by CoSec, Kadara Securities.